Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss another Leetcode problem. Okay, and this problem is based on string. The question is redistribute characters to make all strings equal. You are given an array of strings worth 0 indexed in one operation with two distinct indices I and j, where words of I is a non-empty string and move any character from words of I to any position in words of j. Return true if you can make any string in words equal using any number of operations and false otherwise. So, take the first example. In the first example, this array is given to you. So, you have to make all the strings equal, right? So, ABC, AAPC, PC, right? You can take this A or this A, okay, and you can just move this A to this string and you can make this string also ABC, right? So that's why it will give you true, okay? But in the second example, they have only A, B and A, right? But it will give you false. Why so? Because you cannot make these two strings equal, okay? So that's why it will give you false. I think this is clear to you, okay? Now let me take an example, okay? Like you have this string C A RR equals to Ram, okay? So the thing is, the size of this array is 2, right? And the occurrences of R is also 2, and occurrences of A is also 2, occurrences of M is 4. You can notice this thing, all the digits are divisible by 2. 2 means what? The length of the array, right? Now if we have another string, only R A M, Ram, okay? So now your size will be 3, right? Now the occurrences of R is 3, occurrences of A is also 3, occurrences of M is now 5, and the thing is 5 is not divisible by 3. Then you can say, okay, the remainder is not 0. You can say, okay, this will give you false, and actually it will give you false because this Ram, you can make this Ram to this Ram, means with double M's. You cannot make because you don't have any extra M to move that M to the in this string, and you just make this Ram to this Ram, right? It is not possible because you don't have any extra M, right? But what if we have, like here, in the first string we have triple M, right? So then you total have total 6 M, right? So now you can easily, okay, the thing is, now you can easily move this M to this M, and you can make all these three strings equal, right? And also now the number of the occurrences of M is also dividable by the length of the array. The length of the array is now 3, right? So now you can easily say that, okay, this will give you true. I think this concept is clear to you because I will use this concept to solve this problem, okay? So basically I will solve this problem very easy way. The thing is, I will take an integer array, okay? Let me take int count, okay? Now new in 26, okay? And then I will store in this integer array every occurrences of every character, okay? Okay, you can do the same thing using hash map also, okay? So don't worry about it. So int I, no, not int I, actually string, okay? Basically I will reverse this words array, okay? Then is array. So then you can do the thing is like count of C minus of A plus plus, okay? And then we only need to do one thing, just traverse the thing. Okay. Okay, and then just check if I modulus count with length is equal to 0. Let me take a not operator, means if not equals to 0, we can also if not equals to, okay, then we can easily return false. Okay, otherwise you just return true, right? So basically this first for loop we can in this for loop, let me take one string like a b a. Okay, so basically this count have total 26 indexes from 0 to what 25, right? So the thing is, like, at first we have a. Okay, basically this will be of s. Okay, so basically at first we have a, right? So a minus a will be what? 0. So in the 0 index position we will increment by 1. Okay, now your second is b minus a, then it will give you what? 1. So index position 1, it will increment by 1. Okay, and then your next character is a again, right? Then it will increment again by 1. Okay, in what index position? A minus a is what? 0. Okay, in index position 0, it will increment by 1 again, and now it will become 2. So now you can easily understand that thing. In this way you can easily count a number of the occurrences of a and number of the occurrences of b. Basically then it will number of the occurrence of a is 2 and number of the occurrences of b is 1, right? So that's why I am telling you, you can do the same thing using hash map also. Okay, so now at the end I just traversing this count array. Okay, and I just checking the occurrences of each character is divisible by the, oh, not the count length actually it will be words length. Sorry for that. Sorry, yeah, I just checking, or is the occurrence of each character is divisible by the words length, means the array length. Means the occurrence of each character is divisible by the words length. Okay, if it is, then okay. If not, then we can either return false, after it will return true. I think this code is clear to you. Let's run this code. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I think this code is clear to you. If you have any question, you can definitely ask me in the comment section, and you can give me any type of suggestion that I can improve. Okay, yeah, so at the end I want to say thanks for watching and see you in the next video.